Buddy, have you ever felt like driving is harder than it should be? Many drivers miss small tricks that make the ride smoother. Studies show most accidents happen due to stress and poor habits. The solution is knowing the right hacks. First tip, keep your seat adjusted so your knees are slightly bent. It helps you react quicker. Up next, I'll show you a trick with your mirrors that most beginners overlook. Brother, blind spots are a nightmare. Research from safety institutes shows side collisions often come from poor mirror setup. The fix is simple. Tilt your side mirrors outward until you can just barely see your car. This removes blind spots and keeps your eyes on the road. A small change that saves lives. In the next part, we'll talk about using your steering wheel like a pro. Buddy, steering is more than turning the wheel. Studies on racing drivers prove hand position affects reaction time. The solution, always keep your hands at 9 and 3 like a clock. This gives you better control and less fatigue. Tip, avoid the old 10 and 2. Airbags can injure you in that spot. Keep listening, because the next hack is about braking smarter. Motivation. Remember, every small step makes you a safer and smarter driver. You're improving every ride. Brother, have you noticed some drivers stop too late? Brake science shows most people press too hard at the last second. The better way is to brake early and gently. This saves fuel, keeps your brake pads healthy, and gives you peace of mind. Try lifting your foot slightly before the stop. Next, let's uncover a trick with your tires that seasoned drivers swear by. Buddy, tires are your car's shoes. Studies say underinflated tires waste fuel and wear out faster. The solution is simple. Check your pressure monthly with a cheap gauge. Add air in the morning when it's cooler. Here's a tip. Follow the sticker inside your driver door, not the sidewall of the tire. Stick around, next we'll dive into a fuel-saving habit that costs nothing. Brother, gas prices hurt, right? Energy reports say aggressive driving wastes up to 30% of fuel. The fix is smoother acceleration. Imagine a glass of water on your dash. Drive so it doesn't spill. You'll save money and your engine will thank you. Coming up, a hidden climate control trick that improves comfort. Stay patient, buddy. Smoothness on the road is smoothness in life. Buddy, ever felt your AC struggles on hot days? Studies show recirculation mode cools faster than fresh air mode. The trick, use fresh air for a minute to clear heat, then switch to recirculate. You'll get cooler air faster and reduce engine strain. Let's move on to headlights, where most drivers still get it wrong. Brother, many drivers forget headlights aren't just for the dark. Safety groups suggest using them in rain or fog for visibility. The trick is not high beam but low beam so light reflects less. Tip, keep your headlight covers clean with regular wipe downs. Next, we'll uncover a secret about wipers that can save you during sudden storms. Buddy, wipers seem basic but they're lifesavers. Research shows worn wipers reduce visibility by 30%. The hack, replace them every 6-12 months, not just when they squeak. Clean blades with a damp cloth weekly. This small care means clear vision. Stick with me. The next hack is about merging in traffic. Brother, merging stresses people out. Traffic studies show hesitation causes more accidents than speed. The trick, match the flow before merging and signal early. Don't wait until the last second. Confidence and timing make all the difference. Next up, I'll share a trick about saving your car battery life. Buddy, batteries die when you least expect it. Research says short trips drain them faster than long drives. Solution, give your car a longer run once a week. Also, turn off AC and lights before shutting down. This helps preserve charge. Up next, a hack with your handbrake you may not know. Brother, parking on a slope can stress your transmission. Experts say using your handbrake first, then putting the car in park, saves the gear lock. This reduces wear and avoids sudden jerks. Tip, use it even on flat ground to keep cables active. In the next part, let's talk about a trick for night driving that eases eye strain. Buddy, night driving is tough on your eyes. Studies show dashboard brightness affects fatigue. The hack, dim your dash lights to the lowest comfortable level. This helps your eyes adjust to the dark. Plus, keep your windshield clean inside. Glare comes from dust. Coming up, a secret about your fuel tank most drivers never think about. Brother, ever run low on fuel often? Mechanics say running near empty can damage your fuel pump. The trick, refill at a quarter tank. This keeps the pump cool and prevents dirt from clogging. Bonus tip, mornings are best for filling as fuel is denser. Stick around, next I'll show you a habit that protects your engine every morning. Buddy, cold starts stress the engine. Studies show oil takes time to circulate. The solution? Wait 30 seconds after starting before driving off. No need to idle long, just let fluids flow. This extends engine life. Up next, a steering trick that makes tight turns safer. Every choice you make today builds a safer tomorrow, buddy. Keep going. Brother, tight turns can scare new drivers. Experts suggest using the push and pull steering method. This means feeding the wheel hand to hand instead of crossing arms. It keeps control smoother and safer. With practice, it feels natural. Coming up, a trick with your trunk space you'll find super handy. Buddy, ever had groceries rolling everywhere? The hack is simple. Keep reusable bags or a crate in your trunk. It keeps stuff stable and protects the interior. Plus, it saves cleanup time. Next, let's uncover a trick for rainy days that prevents foggy windows. Brother, foggy windows happen from humidity inside. Studies show AC with heat clears them fastest. Turn on both defrost and AC together. It dries the air. For prevention, keep a small silica bag inside your car. Stick around. The next hack is about driving uphill without stressing your engine. Buddy, uphill driving eats fuel and power. Experts suggest building momentum before the slope and keeping steady throttle, not flooring it. Shift to a lower gear early if needed. This reduces engine strain and keeps the ride smooth. Up next is our final hack that brings all lessons together. Brother, you've learned hacks from mirrors to fuel, from wipers to uphill driving. Each small trick builds your confidence and protects your car. Remember, driving is not just skill, but mindset. Stay calm, stay smart, and you'll always arrive safe. Like, share, comment your own driving experiences below. Disclaimer, consult a medical professional if you have health conditions that